The new year typically brings resolutions, and many of those resolutions are health-related. So to help us all kick the new year off to a healthy start, Jackie Livingston, Marketing Coordinator for Baptist Health Care's GoldenCare program, is here to tell us about Baptist's upcoming 16th Annual Healthy Living Expo. Jackie, thanks for being here.
Thank you for having me.
Well, y'all are always a good partner, and like I said, New Year's, resolutions, health, it kind of all fits together. I guess that's why y'all plan these for January, right?
Absolutely. We want you to get started with a bang.
Yeah, well, before we get into the actual expo itself, let's talk about GoldenCare. Tell us a little bit about the GoldenCare program and who it's for and kind of what it does.
Absolutely. GoldenCare is Baptist's health and wellness program for those who are over the age of 50, which I don't even consider a senior myself. So as I get closer to that age, it seems much less senior-like. But it is for those folks, and we offer all kinds of really great benefits. We have monthly seminars on all types of health-related topics. We also offer them a VIP parking decal that is good at all of Baptist Health Care's facilities, so they can park right up front at all of our facilities. We also offer free newspaper if they're in the hospital, and they also get a free meal for their spouse or caregiver while they're there in the hospital. We have discounts on the Lifeline security system. We just came back from a Bellingrath Gardens trip, so you can see lots of really great benefits for those members.
So it's both health-related information, but also social opportunities, and then some good perks if you are going to be in the hospital.
Absolutely.
Or a family member.
Absolutely. We hope that folks don't have to be in the hospital, but we know that they do, and so we offer some benefits for them as well.
So how can somebody sign up? Sounds great.
They can call me at the office at 469-2356, and we can sign them up over the telephone. They can sign up online. They can go to the hospital, and they're at the information desk there. They have applications, so there are lots of ways to sign up, and it is free.
Free always works.
Absolutely.
Well, let's get into the Healthy Living Expo. Now, I know for those who've been in the area for a long time, they may remember the Senior Expo at University Mall, but that's been several years ago. But tell us a little bit about the change and the thinking behind the name change, and then we'll go into the new locations.
Absolutely. Last year we changed the name to Healthy Living Expo to appeal to a wider audience, because this is certainly not just for seniors. We have lots of really great opportunities for everyone of any age, so we actually want everybody to come out, and so we changed it to Healthy Living Expo so that people would not feel like they couldn't come because they're not a senior.
Mm-hmm. Well, and people of all ages and seniors do need to make sure that they are living a healthy lifestyle.
Absolutely.
And there's just a lot of people in that age group. You said approaching there, so that's great to have something
Exactly.
for everybody. Well, tell us a little bit about the change in the venue or venues.
Oh, you're asking where we will be having these. We have them at all of our, at 5 of our Baptist Health Care locations, and we will have the first one at Jay Hospital. We will begin right off the bat on January the 5th, and that one will be from 9 until noon, and then the next one is at Baptist Medical Park on 9 Mile Road, and that one is on the 12th of January, and that one will be from 9 until 1. Then the next one is at Baptist Hospital downtown location on January the 20th, and that will be held from 9 until 1 as well. The next is January the 21st at Atmore Community Hospital from 9 until noon, and then our final event for 2011 will be January the 27th from 9 until 1 at Gulf Breeze Hospital, actually at the Andrews Institute there on the campus of Gulf Breeze Hospital.
Great. Well, so you have a very busy January plan.
I do. I do. I'm looking forward to it.
Well, as we were talking earlier, you know, all the venues are slightly different, but in general, what will be available at each of the expos?
Absolutely. We will have tons of free health screenings at all of those expos. Some of them will have different health screenings than others. We will have lots of wellness information available. We'll have fun activities, mini seminars on everything from gardening to fashion and health. So we're going to have some fun events as well. Live entertainment featuring swing and jazz music, and we'll have door prizes and great refreshments. We're just going to have a really great time.
So it'll be a lot of fun as well as educational and health related. You mentioned screening, and I know each type is probably a little bit different, but in general, is this something that people need to be concerned? Should they fast, or can they just do the screening while they're there?
No, I wouldn't have a big piece of pie right before you come if you're going to have a glucose screening, but no, they do not have to fast, and there is no charge for these health screenings. There's no charge for any of this, so they can come without money for that, and we will actually let them know, the hospital will let them know the results of those health screenings within 2 to 3 weeks usually. There are a lot of health screenings that we do at that time, so sometimes it takes a little bit longer, but we will make sure that everyone knows, and we'll get that information in the mail actually.
Okay, so I was going to ask how that information is communicated. So they will receive the results
in the mail.
And they've been reviewed by
the lab there at the hospital will review those, and we'll send that information out.
Okay. Well, what kind of feedback did you get last year with the new name and the different venues? What was the feedback from the public?
We had wonderful response. I cannot tell you how many compliments I got on our musician. Jim Armstrong is his name. He did some wonderful jazz music for us, just background music, but we really enjoyed having that, and our seminars. The seminars on the fun topics were really very well received. We had the Home Depot out, and we will have them again this year out for a gardening seminar at some of our locations. It's lots of fun, and this year we're going to add a fashion seminar. I'm really excited about that. We have someone coming out to speak about scarves and jewelry and how to make your outfit complete. So we're really excited about some of those new seminars as well.
Well, it's great to be able to add that. Will people need to RSVP in advance? You mentioned that it's free, but do you need a head count or anything?
No, we know that we'll have a large group at each of those events, and so we're not requiring an RSVP. They can just come out anytime they would like.
So you're prepared for it all?
We're prepared. We are prepared. And we've added something new this year. We're going to have coffee with a doc at one of our tables there, and so they can actually speak with a doctor about various topics. So that'll be something new as well this year.
Is that kind of like your dinner with the doc that you have for GoldenCare?
Well, it's sort of like that, but it's a little bit different because it's a conversational type thing. The doctor will be there at the table and will be able to talk to you about different types of subjects. We'll have urologists at some of the locations. There will be different doctors at each location and at different times. And we are promoting that on the website. So if people are interested in who will be where at what time, they can look that up on our
Great.
website.
Well, tell us a little bit about the website and what information is on there and how people can access that.
Everything that you can think of is on that website. We have all of our vendors listed, our sponsors, which of course you all, Council on Aging is one of our large sponsors, and so is WellCare. We're very excited to have both of you on board as big sponsors.
Well, we appreciate in-kind media support, but we appreciate that.
We love having you all as a partner. You're great partners.
Thank you very much.
Also on the site, there'll be all of the seminars, the locations and dates will be on each of those. On the website there is also information about who the musician is and the dates for each location if you forget, because there's a lot of locations, so I know it's hard to remember the dates. So everything you can think of that is regarding this event will be on the website.
Okay. And for those who may not have access to a computer, they can give you a call?
Absolutely.
And what's your phone number again?
469-2356.
Okay, Jackie, thank you so much. It's going to be a great series, and we're happy to be a part, and we'll see you there.
Thank you so much.